Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best moisturizers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Vanicream Moisturizer. You can use the cream to hydrate, restore and maintain a normal moisture level for relief from irritated, cracking or itchy skin. You can apply moisturizer as often as needed to face, hands, feet and body or as directed by a physician. It is ideal for the entire family. There are no fragrances or masking fragrances in Vanicream products, but there may be a slightly different aroma to each batch. At number 6 we have Neutrogena Moisturizer. This gel moisturizer formula provides hydration to skin that's leaving it looking smooth and supple day after day. This unique face moisturizer absorbs quickly like a gel so you can wear it under makeup, but provides long-last and intense moisturizing power of a cream. It's 100% alcohol-free. At number 5 we have Olay Moisturizer. This facial moisturizer penetrates the surface of your skin at night to transform your skin with Retinol 24's maximum concentration of hydrators. This fragrance-free, rich and creamy moisturizer absorbs quickly so you're not left with a greasy feeling. At number 4 we have Retinol Moisturizer. This face cream is made with carefully selected ingredients that meet the highest beauty standards. This facial lotion incorporates retinol, 5% hyaluronic acid and collagen. It's the perfect combination to restore your skin's beauty and elasticity. The combined action of retinol, collagen and hyaluronic acid provides optimal hydration and can help replenish skin's firmness and softness. At number 3 we have Belei Moisturizer. This silky moisturizer contains high level of the advanced formula of hyaluronic acid. You can blend it with squalene and glycerin. It locks in valuable moisture for hours to keep your skin feeling hydrated. It is designed for dry skin. At number 2 we have EltaMD Moisturizer. EltaMD Skin Recovery Light Moisturizer powered by proprietary AAC technology that helps to repair damaged skin, calms skin and helps to minimize the risk of irritation. This Skin Recovery Light Moisturizer helps to repair skin, calms skin and helps to minimize the risk of irritation. At number 1 we have evanhealy Moisturizer. The deeply moisturizing formula contains organic plant and seed oils. Its anti-aging properties help prevent premature aging and hydrate all day without feeling heavy, sticky or waxy. It is ideal for use on irritated, mature and reactive skin. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best moisturizers for your need.